Start your day with this simple, energy-packed smoothie. You'll need 1 banana, 1 cup of spinach, half a cup of frozen mango, 1 tablespoon of chia seeds, 1 cup of almond milk. Just toss everything into the blender and blend until smooth. Spinach gives you iron, mango adds sweetness, and chia seeds are full of omega-3s, perfect for a morning pick-me-up. This smoothie is packed with antioxidants to keep your immune system strong. Gather half a cup of blueberries, half a cup of strawberries, 1/2 a peeled orange, half a cup of Greek yogurt, half a cup of water or coconut water. Blend it all together for a creamy, tangy treat. Blueberries and strawberries are antioxidant powerhouses, while Greek yogurt adds protein and probiotics. For glowing skin and a happy gut, try this green smoothie. You'll need 1/2 an avocado, 1 cup of kale, 1/2 a green apple, 1/2 a cucumber, 1 cup of coconut water. Avocado adds creaminess and healthy fats, while kale and cucumber are hydrating and full of vitamins. This one's a beauty secret in a glass. Smoothies for every need. Whether you need energy, immunity, or a glowing complexion, these smoothies have you covered. They're quick, easy, and delicious. Try these recipes today and let us know your favorite in the comments below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more healthy tips. See you next time.